Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by verifying account and essentials. This prevents lockouts. Sign into the Google account you intend to change and make sure location services or your VPN are active so Play Store sees the new country. Open Play Store, tap your profile icon, then go to Settings. Once done, choose Account and Preferences to find the Country and Profiles section. This is the first actionable step, where Play Store will offer the new country profile when it detects your IP or payment method. Now you'll create the country profile. In Country and Profiles, select the detected country or choose it manually when available. Play Store only shows this option if your IP or payment method matches. Add a local payment method or redeem a local Google Play gift card so Google assigns the new country to your account. Make sure the billing address matches that country. After saving, the app may take time to refresh. Leave Play Store open and check again in a few minutes or up to 48 hours. Finish by forcing the Play Store to recognize the update. Close the app, clear cache and data in system settings, then reopen. You should see apps and prices in the new country. Install or update as needed. If the option is missing, remember Google allows one country change per year, so check eligibility. If you hit persistent errors, sign out and sign in again, or use a new Google account registered with a local payment method. This often resolves geographic or cache-related conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.